Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free. Welcome to our fans, Wetu TV. We are at the Alta Bar. It's the Betway Premiership, Kaizer Chiefs 3, Orbit College 1. I'm joined by Thabo. I'm Nandi Bitu.
Congratulations to Kaizer Chiefs.
Sure.
First half,
Sure.
First 20 minutes. Beba Chiefs. The Chiefs being at the 6 and 9, 4 and 5 years, being as totally great.
Yeah.
But after I think 48 minutes, Baba Krupa, Bakonu totally goal. Second half, they were brilliant.
Yes.
They were controlling game. But was shoot Orbit College. They were in the fitness level. Container. Speed Kaizer Chiefs Baba harasa and plus motor and Lazio Pera which good game plan yabo isebenza second half Kaizer Chiefs yabo nama substitute wabo mabafaka lentwana lo Vilakazi and so forth. But congratulations Gogo first kunento abayenzile kunento abayithumile I'm still cheese manje sibinkinga abenge sihlale vandafa samabhakana sicima amadata ngoba umsindo wakhona uzwile ngara
bese bathi
ngiyazibuza lawo ndaba ayisontweni bona bapase pasikeni
abantu number 2 bazokuthathela yena
bawuthatha kubani
basho bathi bazokuthatha awazwanga amashita thina masobuza mina
bayothatha kimi akuzwile umuntu
izokushaya
akuzwile 11 points bashaya abantwana besikole bashaya incosi la team lena mfethu number 18
sure
not number 18 number
15
number 15
balole
relegation ne bathini Magesi but I think now kumele babone ukuthi bayenze njani bayokuthenga lama player lawa are too experienced you understand bathola ama players azokhona ukubadlalela ibhola
ngiyakubamba thina
bakhona ukukhuphula yini ubona sothini ba one place above eMagesi mhlawumbe ngahamba eMagesi mhlawumbe ngahamba bona we don't know but ke into zani isadlala kusasela how many games 8 games ukuthi kuphela isizini so siyabacela nabo ngoba lenzansi kuyanye once bahamba
awuvayi bangabuzile phathi
angayimena of the match the match ngizothubana phela mina lama team wethu asama team wami ngizogaya bana abana ngizogaya nini maboyi alebzo wafita uyayibamba mfethu ngale position abamgayo nase yakhe but uyadlala ayinondlovu mangena umbonile umnani lena uledlala ku right wing umna right
top
amajita asapusha yamunyani so basapusha amajita but I think ulebza ongidlalele mfethu
thank you team bye grand team sure